a mail opening video. I finally went to my post box and I got a lot of mail from you guys, so thank you for this. So I am going to read out some of these to you guys, but before that I have some updates. Yes, I did get a haircut. A lot of you saw this on my Snapchat and Instagram and you guys were asking me if it's permanently straightened or rebonded, all sorts of stuff. No, it's just been blow dried. So just for a change, I thought I'd blow dry it after the haircut, and yeah, I quite like it. I was getting fed up of my long hair, like it was here and that became long. I can't imagine I'm saying that because I had hair to like here, but I did want to keep it short for a while, so I went and got another haircut. Now coming to YouTube FanFest. Yes, I do have passes to give away and I have a meet and greet this Wednesday. The details will be at the end of this video, so stick around. Now I'm going to start with your letters. So first up we have this cute little letter, and this one is from Nilayana. She's really sweetly drawn on the letter, so there's little hearts on the side, there's YouTube here. She says, "Hey Sherry, it's me Nilayana Saha. I'm always asking you for a closet tour. So I live in Delhi and I love to watch your videos. I'm a huge fan of you and Bethany Mota as well. I wish that I could really meet you and Bethany as well. I will reply to your full letter. Thank you for sending this. I love Beth as well. It's sad that she's not here for the FanFest this year. We will miss her for sure. And I will be having a meetup in Delhi soon, possibly April or May. So yeah, fingers crossed. Keep looking at my social media for updates, but I think there will be one." Then we have this beautiful card. "Dear Sherry and Vaibhav, wishing you two a very happy Diwali. May this year and the coming year be filled with happiness as sweet as Ganesh ji. P.S. Love your videos and challenges." Oh, this is so sweet. Thank you. Yes, I know I haven't opened my post box in really long. This was probably a Diwali card that was sent sometime in October. I have been collecting a lot of your letters, but I will definitely respond to this. Thank you. Then the next letter is from Kavya Priya, and she is from Chennai. Oh wow, there's lots of stuff in here. This is so cool. So lots of drawing. I don't know if you guys can see this, but there's like lots of, so there's all sorts of writing and drawing. "Have an awesome day. If people try to bring you down, it only means you're above them." I totally agree with that. "Live, love, laugh. Awesome sauce." Oh, this is so sweet. Thank you so much for this. And wow, she's actually written a letter and made this really pretty gold border as well. "Hi Sherry, I'm Kavya Priya and you're right. I'm that silly girl from Chennai who keeps pleading with you to come to Chennai. I hope you know me. And I really want to do a meetup in Chennai as well. I know a lot of you have been asking for meetups in Chennai, Hyderabad, Delhi. So if you're watching this, guys, comment below with wherever you want me to do a meetup. Maybe I will do one at one of these locations soon. I'm really working on a lot of meetups this year. I really want to go across India and meet a lot of you guys. So make sure you write in the comments where you want me to do a meetup and I will try and do it there. Then this one is from Arya Patil in Mumbai. And it's a card, I think. Oh, best YouTuber ever, Sherazad. That is so cool. You make my heart pop. Oh, and there's like a popping heart. This is so cute. Thank you so much. This is really sweet. Then we have the lovely Tanya Aurora, who has written to me before, and I don't need to check the address. I know you're from Pune. So again, I really love that you guys decorate the letters really pretty and really sweet, and she's actually sketched me on the back. This is so cool. "Hi Shari, my name is Tanya and I have written to you earlier as well. I know I'm 16, love your channel and hopefully you know that. Loving the challenges that Vaibhav and you do on coupling as well, because we all know you put in a lot of efforts into it and in all the videos that you make." Thank you, Tanya. I'm going to respond to this as well. This one is from Arya Patel again. I think it's the same person that drew the puppy heart. Ooh, it's a nice long one. Then we have a lovely postcard from... who's this from? Kirti Bhanot. I've seen your comments on YouTube. "Hi, my name is Kirti Bhanot. I love watching all your videos. They always bring a smile to my face. I always comment on your Insta pics if you remember. I do. At last, I want to say I'm proud to be a Shrafa. Please reply to me." I'm definitely going to reply to this, Kirti. The next one is from Singapore. So this one is from Kavita. It's a Diwali greeting and there's a magnet in here. Oh my god! Yes, we went. We actually saw this. Oh my god. This is so sweet. Thank you so much, Kavita. Dear Sherry, howdy. This is to send you loads of success. Enjoy this Diwali and keep rocking. Sending you a small gift, a fridge magnet, the street artwork in Penang. Yes, we saw this in Penang on our cruise. Take care. Hope to meet you soon someday. This is so sweet, Kavita. Thank you so much for this. Webber and me went here when we were in Penang on the cruise, and we actually saw this. They have these, the street art all over. You'll see it in our vlog. And this was my favorite one. So thank you so much for this. I wish you had put your address onto the envelope. I would have loved to reply to you. Next time, guys, whenever you guys write to me, please make sure you put your addresses on the back of the envelope, so maybe inside your letters or cards, so that I can reply to you, because I love getting this stuff from you and I want to say thank you. The next one is a postcard from Arya Patla again. I feel so bad, Arya, you've written so many. There's already 3 things from you. I'm really sorry. I had not checked the box in about 3 months. I'm really sorry about that. I will be more regular, I promise you. Happy New Year. Just wanted to thank you for making all those adorable videos. I do watch them all. Also, thanks for the Mumbai meetup. It was great meeting you. Oh, if you're the same Arya I met at the meetup. Okay, now I know you. I'm sorry. I just haven't been, checking the post box regularly. I go there every 2 or 3 months. And I kind of collect all the letters so I can do a mail opening, because once I open them, I'm really tempted to reply to them. So we have met. I hope you can come for the second meetup anyway. It's always nice to see you guys again as well. So this one is from Suniti Verma. She says, my YouTube name is Heartfulness Om. I follow you on Instagram. And I'm writing this letter to you because you are my motivation. That's really sweet. It's a really long and personal letter. There's like about 2 pages. I will reply to all this, Suniti, for sure. But I do want to show you guys this last page. It's really sweet. She's put pictures of Webber and me and written subscribe to Shahzad Trough, coupling, and Gotta Do India, which is really sweet. Thank you for this. The next one is from Ashwini Ramesh, who is also from Chennai. Again, a really nice long letter. Guys, I really appreciate you guys taking the time out to do this and write to me. It really means a lot. Thank you so much. So her letter is pretty long, but I'm going to answer a few questions from it. She said, how do you get a chance to visit the Pantene lab in Singapore? Will I also be able to visit it? Unfortunately, Ashwini, no, it's not open to public at all. It's like one of the really restricted places. In fact, they don't allow even people like me to go. It was a special event that they had there, and they invited me as a one-off thing to check out their labs. But which is why I filmed, so that I could share it with you guys, because it was such a one-of-a-kind experience. She also asked me to come to Chennai and do a meetup. Make sure you comment and tell me if you want to see me in Chennai, guys. And she says, I love Webber's victory dance. Well, I like his victory dances as well, to be honest. Then this one is from Ishika Jaipuria from Delhi. I read all your comments. And it is a beautiful handmade card. Oh wow, so she's made like this cute little hot air balloon with hearts with my name on it. So she's done a really cute little card here. You've got 2 hearts with her saying please reply with her address. XOXO cute, lots of hashtags, and finally the actual letter. You are my favorite YouTuber. I saw your video for the first time through Beth's channel. Your videos are very inspiring to me. I love the fact that you post your videos every week and reply to the comments. I love replying to your comments, guys. And she also says meet and greet in Delhi. Guys, in the comments. Then we have another card from Delhi from Chandini Sharma. Oh wow, so this is a completely handmade card. Really pretty. She's actually put my pictures here. And oh wow, she's written Sherry on the inside. Dear Sherry, you are the best YouTuber. You are my all-time favorite. Your videos are just amazing. I love your videos. You are the sweetest and trust me, the prettiest. Oh, thank you, Chandni. I'm definitely going to respond to this. Now we have the 2 big ones. This one is from Shrishti Jain. So this is like a really big birthday card that she sent me, which is really sweet. So this must have been around July, August. Happy birthday, Sherry. Haven't painted in a long time, so I just picked up the brush and drew this for you. It resembles you. Oh, this is so sweet. This is going to go up on my cupboard. I love getting your sketches and things like that. You know, I put them up on my cupboard. Thank you for the lovely long letter. I'm definitely going to respond to this. This is from Arisha in Delhi, and she has actually written my name and painted a canvas for me as well, which is really sweet. Thank you for this. I have a few questions for you. Okay, I'm going to answer some of your questions. How does it feel to be a YouTuber when people randomly come up to you in public and ask you for pictures and an autograph? I love meeting my subs. It's a lot of fun to take pictures with people, or to actually talk to you guys. Importantly, when you meet people and suddenly, like, it's just amazing to put a face to the name, especially because I reply to a lot of your comments. I remember the names, but I don't know what the person looks like. So when I see them, I'm like, oh, you are you. I know you. So yeah, it's always fun. And the last question is, when you uploaded your first video, how did it feel? And were you expecting 74,000 people to watch your channel? Well, honestly, not at all. You never think that. You never know what the numbers are going to be like. And it's amazing. It's like today we had, I think, above 81,000 shoppers, which is insane. I never imagined that. But thank you for all this. I'm definitely going to reply to you. Thank you all for sending in your lovely letters. I really appreciate you guys taking the time out to write to me, and I will check my box more often, I promise. Now coming to the YTFF passes and the meet and greet that I'm really excited about. I am going to put in a picture here with all the details. I'm also going to put the details in the description, so make sure you check them out. Wednesday is the day, 16th of March. It's 2 days before the Fan Fest, and I'm super excited because I get to see you guys there. There's no need for any tickets or anything. It's open to anybody, so you just have to walk in there. And I know a lot of you have exams, unfortunately, and people have been writing saying I have exams, do a ticket giveaway online. Unfortunately, all the FanFest tickets are only going to be given away at the meet and greet. So if you guys want FanFest tickets and you want to meet me, please come on Wednesday. I would love to see you guys. It's going to be really fun. It is a meet and greet with Clean and Clear, and they have a campaign called See the Real Me. So the meet and greet is called See the Real Cherry, which is fun, and I think it's going to be a lot of fun. So I'm looking forward to seeing you guys on Wednesday. So if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to comment with where you want me to do my next meetup. Delhi, Chennai, Hyderabad, any other places in India. Just list them in the comments and I will try my best to do a meetup there this year. See you guys. Bye.